Hi, I'm Dimitri Metzeltin from Mackie, and I have here the Mackie Reach complete PA system. This PA system is ideal for small bands, but also for conferences, schools, music schools, for installations. And the great thing is you have a compact system with everything you need built inside already. So you have your front loudspeakers with a coverage of 150 degrees. We call it the array technology, the ARC array technology from Mackie. You have monitors already built in here on the sides. That's our earshot technology. And we have a digital mixing desk with 6 inputs already also built in, together with effects, with a feedback destroyer and different voicings. So we have a very compact system that you can put anywhere you need it to. And with 360 watts of RMS power, you can hold speeches for a lot of people at the same time. And also a nice little extra is that you can control everything using your smartphone. It can be your Android phone or your iPhone, and control all the parameters using the free app that's available in the app stores. So to explain how this whole thing works, how Reach works, so we have at the front, we have a total of 5 speakers built in here. So there are 2 6.5-inch woofers, and we have 3 compression drivers pointing to different sides. And by this we can have this wide coverage of 150 degrees at the same time. The second thing is that we will look at the inputs and our digital mixing desk that we will find on the backside. So now we're looking at the backside of the Mackie Reach, and here you see the 4 combo inputs, so you can plug in a line signal, but you also can plug in a microphone signal or even an instrument signal. Underneath that we find a stereo input here. At the same time we can also stream music from Bluetooth, so you can choose if you want to use the stereo input or the Bluetooth streaming. We have phones outputs if you want to practice or set up the system and you don't want to go out of the loudspeakers, you can just hear it on your headphones. We have a foot switch to turn on or off our 16 DSP effects that we have built in here. And there is a link in and a link out to add additional speakers. So if you want to have another Reach speaker there, or if you want to have a subwoofer, you can connect it through this inputs and outputs here on the back side. So, and on the side we find the control section for the digital mixing desk here. So I can change, for example, the main outputs here, but also can control the level of the different inputs that we've seen on the back side. So that's there. We have here the Bluetooth button to pair your smartphone with the Reach speaker. This is your main volume knob here to control everything. The mains and the monitors can be controlled separately, so your side fill monitors can have a different level. Right next to the volume knob we find the feedback destroyer, so we have also a feedback destroyer built into the Reach. And underneath that we find different sections here. So one is for your effects. Directly on the Reach you can choose from 4 different effects. Then we have our voicings. So this starts with the PA voicing, which is a flat voicing. There is a DJ voicing if you want to play back some music directly. Then we have a solo mode, which is great for, let's say, singer-songwriters. And we have also a voice mode that's great for speech. So if you want to hold a speech, the voice setting is the best for that. And last but not least, here we can control our side fills. So as I said, we have 2 4-inch side fills, so you have your own monitoring, so you can stand right next to the speaker, to the Reach, and hear yourself through the side fills. And I can choose if I want to turn on the left side fill, the right side fill or have both. If I turn on both and turn them louder, I even get a wider coverage of 250 degrees in total. So you have almost a full circle coverage there using Mackie's Reach. You can also mute the side fills if you like. So and what we see underneath that is actually one of the 4-inch side fills just there. Additionally, you can control everything using a smartphone. So this can be an iPhone or an Android phone. And this means that you can control all the levels. We have also a 3-band EQ per channel, so you can control that as well. We have our effects right here, so you can choose from 16 different effects that we have built in, starting from different reverbs up to delays. And if we move over here, we then see our voicings that we've seen also on the Reach hardware. We see the feedback destroyer, the settings for the side monitors, and so on. So actually here you have a full control over all the mixes, and you see that it automatically reacts also on the hardware. So you connect your smartphone using Bluetooth, and that's it. That means you can control all the settings using the app, but also playback and stream music through Bluetooth directly to the Reach. So this is our complete PA system called Reach, with the wide coverage of 150 and even up to 250 degrees. We have a built-in digital mixing desk here. We have the monitor side fills already built in, and additionally you can control everything using a smartphone. So you have a very complete system here that is portable, easy to use, even for non-professionals. Thanks for watching.